Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Here are 4 reasons why your website isn't making you money. Let's get into the video. Number 1, you don't have enough traffic. To make money online, you need traffic. This is how the online business model works. If you are selling a high converting product, you can make money with only a few visitors per day. But if you want to make money from advertising, you need a few thousand per day. Without traffic, do not expect to make any money online. When we talk about traffic in the minds of many people, Google is the only way, but this is not true. There are many sources of internet traffic you can use to meet your monetary targets, but you need to know where to find them. Number 2, your website/blog is too young. Don't believe everything you read about making money online. There is no magic way to make thousands of dollars in a few months, and there's no magic way to make money without doing a lot of hard work. This also means that if you just started a website or a blog, you will not make money anytime soon unless, of course, you created an exceptional product or website. From my experience, you need at least 1 year or more of hard work before making any decent amount of money, either from AdSense, affiliate programs, or through selling your own product.
The header is comprised of your blog's title or logo.
Number 3, you don't practice good SEO. SEO is important for many reasons, and if you believe that you can succeed online without following good SEO practices, you're wrong. Everything starts with SEO, and I'm not referring only to keyword analysis or content marketing, but to the bigger picture, which includes understanding your customers and using SEO to give them what they want. The majority of webmasters still make mistakes with SEO despite the plethora of information about proven techniques that work.
Certain requirements of search engines to be informative and friendly to users. Analytics on the basis of trends in visitors.
Number 4, you're not patient enough. They say that patience is a virtue. When it comes to working online and expecting to make money from it, it's more than true. To help you understand how important it is to be patient, take into account the following examples. It may take 3 to 4 months before you start getting any organic traffic from Google or Bing. It may take a few months before you build a decent number on Facebook and Twitter followers. It may take months until you get your first RSS subscriber or comment in your blog. The bottom line is that you need to aim for long-term success and forget about any short-term temporary results. How can you make money online? I don't want to pass the message that it's impossible to make money online because it's far from the truth. To close this video with a positive message, here are some tested ways to make money. If you manage to combine some of these methods together, then you can make a living online. Number 1, creating a website in a niche you are really passionate about. You create a high quality website with good content that offers values to your watchers. After some time, you have enough readers and daily visits, and you make money through Google AdSense. Number 2, write a book or create an online course. Writing a book or creating a course about a topic you know very well and publishing it on Amazon or selling it directly from your website.
The story. Fiction engages the senses, helps us create vivid mental simulacra of the experiences the characters are having. Stage and
Number 3, create a mobile application. Create a mobile application and upload it to Google Play, Apple Store, Windows Store, and Amazon App Store. The application can either be free and gained from advertising or paid. To make money from advertising, you need to have many downloads, at least 200,000, and many active users. To sell your application, you need to have a good marketing plan. The competition is tough, and without a marketing strategy, it will be very difficult to make a decent amount of sales.
Link. In the second video, we configure a map applet to display employee locations.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. With that, I'll see you in the next video.